today we are going to learn about equivalent fractions. As we all know that fraction is a part of whole. So let's say we have this cake, okay, and I divide this cake into two equal parts. And if I say I want to eat this part, what fraction this part will give you? So this part denotes one part out of two. Okay, so this time let's have the same cake again, okay, and let's divide it into four equal parts. And I want to eat the equal amount of cake. It means I have to eat this part and this part as well. It means I'm eating equal amount of cake as this one, right? But the fraction shows something else here. Right now I'm eating 2 out of 4 parts. You see, the fractions have different numbers, but the amount of cake I'm eating is still same. Okay, let's have this cake again, and let's divide it this time into 8 equal parts. Two, 4, and 8. And again I said I want to eat equal amount of cake. It means I have to eat this piece, this one, and this one. See, now it's equal. This part is actually equal to this part and is equal to this part. Yeah, but if I write this one as a fraction, I am eating 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm eating 4 pieces out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you see, we all know the value of all these 3 fractions are same, but they show you different numbers. You can see a pattern between these, from 1/2 to 2/4, from 2/4 to 4/8. There is a pattern in between. You see, what is the pattern? The pattern is 1 became 2, means we are multiplying it by 2, and 2 became 4, we are multiplying it by 2 again. Same thing with 2 became 4, multiplying it by 2, and 4 became 8, we are multiplying it by 2. So we are multiplying them by same number. We are multiplying the whole fraction, the numerator and denominator, by the same number. If I compare this 1/2 to this 4/8, they two hold the same value. So how they two are equal? How 1 became 4, times it by 4, and how 2 became 8, we times it by 4 again. So from this we know that if you want to convert a fraction into an equivalent fraction, you have to multiply the numerator and denominator both by the same number, and they hold the same value. Let's do some examples now. So here we have to find 3 equivalent fractions of each. As you know, we have to multiply them by the same number. So let's multiply this one by 2 and 2. So 2 times 1 will be 2, and 2 times 3 will be 6. Let's multiply it by 4. 4 times 1 will be 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Multiply by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Let's do this one. Times them by 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 5 is 30. Multiply them by 4, 8, 20, and multiply them by 3, 6, and 15. They all are equivalent fractions. Okay, let's see another one. Here they're saying fill the missing number to make equivalent fraction. So first we have to know we are multiplying our fraction by which number to convert it into an equivalent fraction. You see, the numerator is given 1 became 3. You multiplied it by which number? So as we all know, 1 times 3 is 3. So we'll do the same thing here. 6 times 3, the answer will be 18. Now question number 2, you see the denominator is given this time but not the numerator, so you'll figure out how your 5 became 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. You'll do the same thing with the 2. 2 times 2 will give you 4 over 10. So how 8 became 800, times it by 100. Any number changes to 100 when you multiply it by 100, add 2 zeros in the end. So 3 times 100 will give you 300. Okay, how 3 became 24, times it by 8. So 7 times 8 will give you 56. Okay, I hope you are getting equivalent fractions from this video. If you have any question or any other thing you want to ask, you can write in comments. Have a nice day.